Good evening, traders. This is Tepdom for BreakingOptions.com, and this is just another episode of Trade Review. And we're going to review the trades we went over today live in the trade room, where both our 2K smaller accounts made about 18% on their total account size, and our larger accounts made, based on their risk-reward profile, a nice chunk of money. So let's go over the first trade. Our custom scanner gave us alert at 10:01 to buy UPS. We bought the UPS 125 calls at $1.22, and based on our risk reward, we gave it a 90-cent stop, risking 32 cents. Here you have it at 10:01 right here on this candle. That was our entry. Okay, we let it run, watching the charts, riding up our 5-8 line, which is one of the very good methods we use to stay in trades here at Breaking Options. And we made our first sale. We entered the order at 10:36 a.m., which is right around here. We enter the order before it hits the spot. This way, when the stock does push, our order gets filled. And we got filled roughly at 11:10, 10 minutes later on this candle. The top of this candle is when we got filled. So we sold 1/3 at $1.65. Making a 43 cents profit, and we entered our next order and at the same time moved our stops up to 145, locking in a guaranteed profit if we get stopped out. Okay, at that time we sold another third at $2. What time was that? Again, right after 11:10, it got another push. So that's this candle here. We got filled at $2. So we sold another third of our position. And then we moved our stops at that time to 190. Okay. We moved them to 160, but then as we saw it just kind of teetering out here, just topping out, we decided to move them up to 190, figuring we're either going to take off and get to 122.02, or we would get the pullback. So we put our stops finally at 190, and what happened? It pulled back. We sold the last third at 190. So for those of us, we were in and out of the trade. We entered it at 10:01. We were out of the whole trade roughly by 11:24 when it pulled back this candle. It was actually this candle, right when it dipped over the line. We pulled back. So that was our trade in UPS. Nice trade. Took about an hour and 24 minutes. And we locked in from $1.22, and our highest sale was at $2 at 11:10, and we got stopped out at 11:24 for $1.90. Another trade alerted to us by our custom scanner today was good old Lululemon. Okay, we entered Lululemon at 12:41 as the scanner gave me an alert. So let's find 12:41. There we go, right on this candle. We basically entered it here. We rode Lululemon all the way up. We bought it for $1.42, the 340 calls. We had our stops at 40 cents because we had to give it room to work, right? Can't enter a trade and not give it room to work. We sat through a little consolidation here. And then we entered a sell order for 1/2 of Lululemon at $2.80, roughly 100%, a little below. And we got filled right into the close at 3:58. So literally 2 minutes before the close was our fill on this candle. We sold 1/2 the position, and we are overnighting the other half of the position. So that was another nice fill for roughly 100%. Our third position that we were in today that we've been holding since Friday, because our scanner gave us a buy signal on it, is Lowe's. Sorry about that, guys. We entered Lowe's. We actually entered Lowe's Friday on the close. So we entered Lowe's right here. We got a buy signal right before the close. We held it. It spiked up today. We held Lowe's because I believe Lowe's is going to break all-time highs and make new all-time highs with a target of 150.79 to 152.26, probably tomorrow, if not Wednesday. So we held Lowe's. We did not sell any of our Lowe's position. We were getting a high reading off of our custom scanner all day. and we held that into the close. We bought it. You could see right here. We bought it. The 150 calls for this week. That was on Friday for $1.01, and we are holding that. We are looking for that 152.26 and hopefully 150.79 tomorrow. For all of those that are watching this video, look in the description. There will be a link for Zoom so you could trade with us live tomorrow. Save that link, click it tomorrow by 8:45. We will be live on, and you can trade with us from 8:45 in the morning till close at 4 p.m. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, feel free to email me, tepdon@breakingoptions.com, or go to breakingoptions.com and just click on support. We have a special for the rest of the month. Anybody that signs up for the silver or gold membership, that's where all these trades went by. We also gave UPS free on Twitter live. Gets classes free for life. All right. Have a good day.